What's going on, everybody? So in this video, we'll be showing you how to use the risk to reward tool in TradingView. The risk to reward tool is a tool we like to use on our trades to help find our take profit and our stop loss level, as well as our risk to reward ratio. So when using this tool, you want to go over here to the left-hand side. You can see my mouse right here. Click this tab, and you can see the long position and short position, depending on which way you're trying to go in the trade. So we can click on long position. I already have one up. This is a live trade that I'm in currently right now. We can go ahead and click this, click it out. So I'm going to delete this because I already have one up. So you can see right here, we have this tool. We can move this to find our take profit level, wherever that level is. Mine is currently right here. You can see right here on the right-hand side, it shows the number of where my take profit is currently at. And right here, you can move this. This is your stop loss level. So you can go ahead and move this. Mine is right here. So when I'm entering this trade onto my MetaTrader 4, this is the number I'd put for my take profit. We can see on the right side. This is the point I would put for my stop loss in MetaTrader 4. So this is a good tool to use because it can clearly see what is my risk to reward ratio. And we want our risk to reward to be at least 1 to 2 to give us a good position on risk management. So we can see it says 4.42, which is approximately 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. You're risking 96 pips to gain 47 pips. You can clearly see that right there. As I move this, that number will change. You can see that right there. So we'll keep this right here. So when price comes up to touch this level right here, if I have this implemented in my MetaTrader 4, I will be taken out of this I'll be taken out of this trade approximately right here. If stop loss hits, which is this line right here, then I'll be taken out of the trade with a loss. So this is a really helpful tool to use when looking at your take profit and stop loss level. So let's go ahead and look at the short position. This is an example of another trade I took right here. It's the same type of thing, it's just flipped around, because now if you're taking a short position, you're going to want to be going down. So this was my take profit level. My stop loss was around there. You can see clearly it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward right here. So that's a trade I'd be willing to take. So you can see as price moved down here, I had this implemented in my MetaTrader 4. You can see the green, I would have implemented that right there as my take profit. And you can see price hit right here eventually. You can draw this out if you want to. I like to keep it in closer just so it looks neater on my chart. This is a really helpful tool we like to use. It just gives us a really clear view of where our take profit and stop loss levels are, as well as it shows you very clearly what your risk to reward is. If my take profit was right here, you can see that says 1.64, which is approximately 1 to 6 risk to reward, or it's approximately 1 to 2. It's not all the way there yet. So this is a trade I would not take because it doesn't give me a good risk to reward ratio. I would like my risk to reward to be at least 1 to 2. So when I was looking at this trade, I wanted it to be right here because this is where my key level was. And this gave me a risk to reward of almost 1 to 4 approximately. So this is a really helpful tool we like to use. You can see it's really simple over here on the left-hand side, long position, short position. We would recommend using this on every trade. It gives you a clear indication of where your stop loss and take profit are. It's just really simple, easy tool to use. So I hope you like this video on the risk to reward tool. We'll see you next time.